Understand this, people.
I don't give a fuck about what y'all talking about.
Nope.
I ain't trying to hear none of that shit.
Nope.
I'ma do what I want to do.
Yep.
When I wanna do it,
Yep.
How I want to do it.
How I want to do it.
Better hope I don't do it to
And you
you.
better hope I don't do it to you. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is September 10th, 2018. Give a shout out to my man Wilbur for the song request Laugh Now, Cry Later by my man Ice Cube. Yay, yay. This is a classic. Thank you for the song request, bro. What's good, people? Couple more days before I'm out in the Bay Area for the Block World and Litecoin Summit. Hope to see you guys out there. Oh, before I forget, if you guys get over to, let me do this first, get over to cryptoblood.io, buy you some merch. Just gotta buy one piece of merchandise from the apparel area and you will get a free ticket to the Block World Conference, which actually starts in 2 days. So that's an almost $300 value. So if you guys, anyone, purchase a shirt, a hoodie, whatever from my website, you will get that via email. Especially if you're in the Bay Area, San Jose area, I'll give you a free ticket to come check out the conference. I will be there on the 14th, the last day of the conference, on a panel there discussing cryptos with a couple of other YouTube influencers. So hope to see you guys there. Today, let's talk about this. Gotta give a shout out to man Chaos. He brought it up in the Webbot crypto room, and I saw it come across this morning as I was sourcing some articles, looking through interesting topics. But after seeing him post that, I guess he got an email from Gemini about the new Gemini stablecoin that the US regulators just passed. So this is official. A new stablecoin called the Gemini coin, I believe. It'll be pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. Definitely competition to a lot of these other stablecoins out there, like Tether or USD Trust. So we're going to take a look at that. And really, I posed the question. I posed this question before. Is this what cryptocurrencies, the currency, will look like? The currency part of cryptos will look like in the future? Is this what will be widely used? I think so. Surprisingly enough, I don't think we will see for day-to-day commerce, you will see Bitcoin or Litecoin or, you know, a lot of these other cryptocurrencies being used like we think they will be. And you'll see probably products or coins like the Gemini token. So we're going to take a look at that. And secondly, kind of to the contrary to this whole Gemini token thing, is an article about Dash. Will they be the front runner when it comes to cryptocurrency usage? And we can have that discussion, because I'm leaning toward cryptocurrencies being utilized by the masses, looking similar or more like stable coins. So we'll take a look at that and we'll have that discussion. But first, check out that market cap. We are at $195 billion for the global market cap for cryptocurrencies from coincheckup.com. Bitcoin's dominance is still up there, actually almost at 56% now. Crazy. And as you can see, guys, a column of red, so not looking too good here. And as you can see, that column, the 7-day, is looking red as ever, people. Ethereum down 32% for the week. EOS not too far behind, down 22%, but sticking around that $5 mark. It looks like that may be a nice equilibrium for EOS. But poor Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin just getting pummeled. Dash looking kind of good though, up 3.5% over the last 24-hour period. And again, we're going to be talking about Dash in today's video. Let's go ahead and look at that TA really quickly. A couple Bart Simpsons will do you just right. Not too much activity to really discuss right now. Again, I think we're still heading down here to the 59 level. That's a critical level, people. We break that, all hell breaks loose. It's going to be looking like the purge in this joint. Altcoins are going to get slaughtered if we break that 5,900 area. And we can only imagine how high the dominance for Bitcoin will move to the upside when that happens, if that happens. So that's kind of where we are right now, just waiting for another test of the 5,900 area. So first article, let's take a look at that out of the Bitcoinist. And it's U.S. regulators approve Winklevoss twins fiat-backed stablecoin Gemini dollar. I thought it was a Gemini token or coin. It's the Gemini dollar. This is really big news. We need to really pay attention to this. New York regulators have given the green light to Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss' first cryptocurrency, a stablecoin attached to their trading platform Gemini, solving stablecoin trust problems, it says the article. As Forbes reports, on September 10th, the token, the Gemini dollar, will have a backing of investment bank State Street, which takes custody of the fiat dollars it is backed by. Speaking to the publication, Tyler Winklevoss appeared to stress the level of trust the stablecoin will offer based on its backing and State Street's involvement. It's not just Gemini Trust, he said, but you have to build a network of important players that are also trusted to solve for the trust problem of a stablecoin. The Gemini dollar thus becomes one of the world's only regulated stablecoins, following the release of a stablecoin by Liechtenstein bank Union Bank last month. Commentators split on interest. Commenting on its decision to approve the asset, New York Department of Financial Services Superintendent Maria Bullo complimented Gemini's setup. She says these approvals demonstrate that companies can create change and strong standards of compliance within a strong state regulatory framework that safeguards regulated entities and protects consumers. Blockchain technologist Preston Byrne, adding to know your customer aspect of the assets will form a focus of interest. The Winklevoss brothers have also structured their affairs for the long run. Lawyer heavy, slow and steady wins the race approach. Their stablecoin will be interesting to check out, particularly its KYC properties, he wrote. The Winklevoss have continued to have a difficult ride with U.S. regulators of late. Their bid to launch a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, failing to gain approval of the Securities and Exchange Commission for a second time in July. Also voicing caution about the Gemini dollar was CoinShares strategist and regular media commentator Meltem Demoris, who likened its issuance to an analog of extant asset Tether. Meltem says here, so basically we have more Tether. Feel like USD collateralized stablecoins are only marginally interesting at best. There are dozens of efforts underway, and I don't see natural demand for these assets. Hope this makes them dollars because it sounds like it was expensive to print. Interesting. Oh, what do you guys think, man? That's from a ethos perspective, you know, like keeping with the ethos of cryptocurrencies and why I even got into it years ago. This makes no sense to do this. However, I'm seeing the trend here, and the trend is if consumers are going to use cryptocurrencies, it's probably going to be in this format. You got to understand, most people don't even understand what's wrong with the current economic system, the current monetary system. So, you know, having an easy way for them to get in and out and utilize their cryptos, I think this is going to be an on-ramp for them. Unfortunately, I hate to have to say that, but these types of stable coins are going to gain a lot of traction in the coming years. I believe people may hold their wealth in a Bitcoin or any, you know, I don't know what other cryptocurrencies will be around, but I think Bitcoin will be around as a means of storing wealth. But if people want to spend their crypto and not actually leave the crypto environment, you will see these types of stable coins become very popular. And I can only imagine at some point the Winklevoss twins are going to strike deals with credit card merchants like Stripe or PayPal, where they're accepting the Gemini dollar. I can see that happening, and it will really again bridge that gap and allow the common person to get access to a cryptocurrency. And then, you know, from there maybe people will learn how to buy maybe real cryptocurrencies. But again, this is the future. I'm telling you, I'm just seeing the evolution of the mindset of this industry, and I'm just calling it how it is. I think we're going this way, and if you're looking for a cryptocurrency to be one that the masses are using, unfortunately the dollar is still the most known currency and most trusted. Even though we may not trust it like that, those in the know, it is still to the masses the most trusted fiat, and it will be that way for some time. You guys let me know. One thing I do want to mention though about this Gemini dollar is the email that Gemini users receive, and it says, imagine being able to send and receive US dollars like email. Well, today we are making this a reality with the Gemini dollar, a stable value coin, often called a stablecoin, that allows you to send and receive US dollars on the Ethereum network. The Gemini dollar, ticker symbol GUSD, is an ERC20 token that is issued by Gemini, a New York trust company, and strictly pegged one-to-one to the US dollar. It combines the creditworthiness and price stability of the US dollar with blockchain technology and the oversight of US regulators, namely the New York State Department of Financial Services. So that's the email that they received. Man, it's true, you know, it is true. And like I said, you mark my word, there's really nothing for us to leverage or make money off of with this play, because it's pegged one-to-one. So there won't be any gain for you to just sit and hold this Gemini dollar. But this is what you will see people using. I'm telling you, people will make their gains with the, you know, what you, if you want to call the real cryptocurrencies, and then spend their gains in stable coins like GUSD. So you guys let me know your thoughts about that. I just wanted to give that some attention on the channel today. The second one is out of Coin Insider. And again, this is kind of, you know, will these types of cryptocurrencies kind of fade out, you know, as the space matures? I have a gut feeling that it may. I mean, they may still be around, and they may have some speculative characteristics where you can make some money from this, but I'm not, you know, I don't know if coins like Dash in the next 5 years will be actually used to buy and sell. And I've had this conversation before about why most cryptocurrencies won't be able to be used by the masses on a day-to-day basis because of its deflationary nature. People aren't going to want to spend $1 today if it's going to be worth $1.25 tomorrow. So it's just the inherent nature of money. Money should not be an investment, people. Just keep that in mind. Money should not be an investment. So it says here, does Dash have what it takes to be a front runner in the crypto markets? Dash has remained one of the top 20 tokens since the year started, but can it maintain its success? In this, we explore the potential for the altcoin's positive trajectory. The current market is sending many altcoins to sinking values, and few coins are managing to stay positive in the current downtrend. In this, we are looking to see whether Dash is managing to outrun the bear market. At the beginning of the year, the token was sitting as in the 11th position of most valuable cryptocurrencies by market cap on January 7th, and was trading at, get this, a value of $1,300. In January, it was totaling a market cap of over 10 billion USD. Moving ahead to the current state of affairs, Dash has been back and forwards, but is back to sitting at the same position as the 11th most valuable cryptocurrency, and is trading at $203 with a total market cap of 1.6 billion. To put it in statistical form, despite the recent rise, the network has lost a whopping 85% of its trading value over the past 9 months, while its market cap has similarly diminished by approximately 84%. The article goes on to say, an unusual partnership. Although it is not a breaking story, it is still worth remembering that the network positioned itself as the frontier for the Zimbabwe cryptocurrency, and the partnership struck with Kuva Coin. At the time, Dash Core CEO Ryan Taylor stated that the company could flourish in the African nation. He says, I have been advocating for quite some time the potential benefits Dash can provide to economies with less stable currencies, and Zimbabwe seems a prime location for these benefits. This project in particular is well researched with value propositions, branding, and go-to-market strategies tailored to the local market, combining the ideal network Dash with a well-considered strategy should lead to a high probability of success. Looking forward here, it says, with the market being in the current space they are in, we can't predict with ease how tokens might perform. If we take a look only at the last month, Dash has been on the up and has seen a positive trajectory after taking a major dip in August. So it's currently again trading around $201. And I forgot about the Kuva coin partnership over in Zimbabwe. And you know, I will say this is why I do like projects and teams like Dash and Digibyte, because they're actually going to the places where a cryptocurrency is most needed. You know what I mean? So I really commend those types of projects that are putting boots to the ground and really trying to get adoption of cryptocurrencies. But back to my kind of question that I posed to you guys is a coin like Dash really gonna gain that much traction to be used as a day-to-day cryptocurrency used by individuals for commerce? I mean, I think it will be here and there, but if the Dash coin or token starts to appreciate in value, the higher that nominal amount or value for that coin goes, the less what do you want to call it, money velocity you'll see. It's just inherent. That's what's going to happen. So I think you're going to run into the same issue with any of these popular cryptocurrencies that are looking to really get rid of your traditional fiat systems and dying fiat currencies. I think eventually, if they become too popular, they cease being used as what they were intended to be used as, and that's money. So you guys let me know. Again, I have to say though, I do like Dash and Digibyte. I'm just thinking, and have been for a while, that stable coins will end up being cryptocurrencies used on a daily basis. But you guys let me know. Love to have that conversation with you guys in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And it's your boy Crypto Blood. I'm out. Holla. Yeah.
Nice nigga, good nigga.